Hello. Today I want to talk about a simple concept, fairness. I created a slogan, the presumption of innocence is the most fundamental concept in the laws of a free society. In America, we must presume the accused to be innocent until the prosecution proves otherwise, if they can. It requires a fair trial. A trial by jury of one's peers. It requires the production of evidence in court, an opportunity for the prosecution to present their case because the defense has no obligation to present anything at any time. But it does also present the opportunity for the defense to challenge all of that evidence. Today I'm seeing something that is troubling, and I want to bring it up for discussion because when I pick a jury, I want the people to be fair. Prosecution does too. They want a fair trial. We both want a fair trial. I believe I'm probably a little more concerned with the presumption of innocence and people believing it and engaging and embracing the presumption of innocence than the prosecution. Regardless, it's what is fair in America. It is the law here. It's part of what we do. So recently, some things have been troubling me. I've seen a lot of accusations made in the media, particularly beginning with this fellow named Harvey Weinstein. Now, maybe he's guilty, and maybe Kevin Spacey is guilty. Maybe Matt Lauer is guilty. Maybe Russell Simmons is guilty. I don't know, because I've heard no evidence other than the media saying they're accusations, and from time to time, someone coming on and saying, he did this thing to me, okay? But I haven't seen any trials. And then today I read something about John Oliver, whose shows I've enjoyed, on stage with Dustin Hoffman and a group of people that John Oliver was emceeing the conversation. He turned to Dustin Hoffman and accused him and said, "You've produced no evidence to prove that it isn't true about you," or words to that effect. Well, so this is America. Dustin Hoffman doesn't have to prove anything. Someone made some accusations or accusation. I think it was 30 years old. It doesn't really matter when it happened or when the accusation was made. It's a little more difficult to respond to a 30-year-old accusation. But Dustin Hoffman didn't have to prove anything. He doesn't have to say a word. He's being accused. And in America, the accused can remain silent. The accused can demand a fair trial, which is what we do. Our Constitution, the Sixth Amendment, guarantees us the right to a fair trial, which includes a trial by jury of our peers. Well, the media is not our peers, but the media is trying people on a daily basis, and those people are losing all kinds of rights. They're losing their businesses, they're losing property, they're losing their reputations, they're being banned from places. Is that what we do in America? And I mean, it's on a daily basis now, several at a time. I'm not commenting on whether these accusations are true. What I'm telling you is we don't know, because none of these people have had a trial. So Americans, I offer a challenge to you. Be fair. Presume innocence. I think it's contrary to our nature to do that. But if we are going to try people, let's try them in courtrooms, what we're set up to do. Let's don't allow our media to try them because they're just selling stuff. They're selling things. And some of the people that are making the accusations are probably selling themselves. Maybe they've been out of the limelight too long or never have and want to. We don't know. I haven't cross-examined them. And if I did, I can assure you I would be prepared and I would have the right questions to ask them so that we'd all know whether they're telling the truth. And a jury would be the one to decide that. So what if it was you? What if you were the accused or one of your loved ones was the accused? You'd want them to have a fair trial, wouldn't you? Of course you would. You would want them to be presumed innocent, wouldn't you? Well, of course you would. And that's my challenge to all of us, myself included, that we must embrace concepts of fairness. Otherwise, we, Americans, won't have a free country, defendants will have to go around proving their innocence, which is done in many other countries. That's why we claim to be the shining beacon of freedom. Please, accept my challenge. Work on it. Think about it. Thank you very much.